Alright, here's an unboxing of the Magpul, the front and rear sights. These are the flip-up sights. They're made out of a polymer with a metal reinforcement. I was kind of leery about the polymer, but it's Magpul, so I figured I'd try them out. I do like them because they're very light. It's the profile. The back one. Here's the front. It's nice as they flip right up. Here it's set up with an EOTech 512. It's a co-witness. All in all, it's a clean setup. Let you guys know after a few trips to the range how the polymer holds up. Let's put them.